How to submit ticket in GCash. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to submit your ticket in a GCash, launch a preferred browser and search for GCash Help and Support. Then head over to GCash Help Center. You'll be redirected to the Help Center of GCash. Now, to submit a ticket at the top, you will see a 3 horizontal line. Click on it and head over to Contact Us. In here, you can browse the Help Center, chat with Gigi, or contact the hotline number. In order to submit a direct ticket, just tap on Chat with Gigi. It is your online bot which will help you regarding your issue or any queries. In the message box, just go ahead and type in the inquiry or issue that you are facing on. Once you tap on the issue, Gigi will provide you with some of the solution that you can follow. However, if you do not find this method helpful or effective to you, you can browse for another as well. As you can see, GCash provides you to browse through relevant articles of your issue or call in the hotline which is available for you. So that's how you'll be able to submit your ticket in GCash. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.